I've just arrived and I've seen Hyperia go for the first time and it looks insane. I'm really excited but nervous, but it'll be fine once I do it. Now filling in and going over to the queues, getting a long queue. So just about to get in the queue now. We have walked past a lot of queue, which is very good, so we should get on it. We've made it to the entrance, Hyperia. We're now in the main queue, which holds a capacity of 90 minutes. So let's see how long it takes, and I'll update you straight away. We just stopped for a couple of minutes and had a chat with some people that we know, and so we're getting on and I'm so excited. Heading on row, what row is this? Row 8, so I'll see you after. I am in shock. That was the best thing ever. I'm still in shock. That was incredible. Look at it. I've just been given this and I'm going to frame it and cherish it forever. This is such a big moment for me. It's so emotional. Hyperia has broke down on the lift hill. So I don't know what's going to happen with that. It's all good now and fine, enough fun. So done Hyperia, which is number 1, and now we're going to go off and do some other rides because everything's basically on a short queue. So they're giving out free Coke over here, so don't mind if I do. Here's a look at the new Cloud9 treats, and they do chocolate stuffed waffles on Sundays. I just purchased my ride photo from earlier and I love it. Currently, I'm heading to the Hyperia queue with Wally and Max and Thieves back there. So once again, Hyperia has shut and it's just on the brink run. Hyperion, not.
Can you not say Hyperion, thank you?
I won't say Hyperion, but yeah, Hyperia is back open. Hyperion's next week.
She said Hyperion.
Hyperion's next week. Stay tuned.
Slay Abby, Slay Abby, Slay Abby.
Yes, that's next week. But yeah, we're playing Uno to survive the Hyperia queue.
I want to try it back through.
And I'm getting a row 7 ride this time, so I'll let you know when I get off if it's my number 1 or not. So I did Hyperia and yeah, that ride confirmed. It's UK number 1. I don't think there's ever been a greater coaster in the UK than that. Like, it just doesn't seem like it could be in the UK. Oh my god. But yeah, number 1. Anyway, thank you for joining me. I will release a couple of videos next week when I am in Poland because I will be visiting Energylandia and Legendia. I'll see you there. Bye!